Greetings, beloved. I just thought I must give you the update. We are moving with grace here. We are moving with grace. God is doing something in another level here. And I want to take you through the progress. This is the inside. This is the inside of the church here. There's a whole floor. You can see that it's almost fully plastered, this floor. You can see the windows are here. The doors are here. I'm now inside the building. Now, I want to take you to the stage there so that you see. Now, this is, you can see now, this is we are moving very fast. You can see here, that is our white wall there. We're gonna use that projector there. Now, as you can see, I want to see if I can be able to stand here. I want to show you something. I think they have not yet plastered here. I want to show you this walkway here. See this walkway? This is the walkway. We're going to close at the top here because it's linking that house to the church. Now, which means when you move from the house, you use this entrance. Then you come into the church. You move from there in the house, from the bathroom there, you walk through this door. Then you enter the church from here. Then you can see the stage is there. It's almost done. You can see there. Now the guys are plastering the floor here. You see, we are finishing this floor plastering. We are finishing this floor plastering here. Everything is running. You remember we are opening this on the 14th of December. There is another part. There is an upper room there. We have already partitioned the offices, the bathroom there. But I want to show you outside because there's something exciting here. We are paving this place. Let me take you out. Let me take you out. I want to show you the paving here. The guys are here, they are paving. You can see the pavement is running. We are paving the whole place, guys. We are paving the whole place. Now, at the corner there, we are building a security office. What you see there, the corner? It's a security office there. You see, the security office is coming up here. Then the paving has started here already. You can see from here. You can see from here that they are paving this place. We're gonna pave this whole front. We're gonna pave this place from here. And the painting also is going. You can see those crosses are getting paint. And we are paving this place. This whole front will be paved. Here we are building, this is an entrance. We are building a security office here. And when we come in there, you'll have to fire the security. And these are the doors are here. You can see the painting guys are here. Now the paving is running, guys. It's running. It's running. It's running. We are paving this whole yard. We have moved from building to paving now. Remember, we planted the trees here sometime. Here are our trees here. It's gonna look beautiful here. This is the trees that we have planted. They are growing very nicely. These are the trees. Beautiful trees here. Beautiful trees that we have planted. Now let me take you to the house then. We are already putting, the plumber is here. We are putting the pipes. Guys, we are moving with this thing. This is the house. It's almost done also. The house is, it's done. Now this side we are sorting the plumbing connections here. Daddy. All right. You can see now this. We are putting the plumbing here. The water will run here. Everything is running. Sharp on that. Now you can see, guys, that we are. Let me go this and give you this different view here. You start from here, you go. Now this whole place here will be paved here. It's gonna be beautiful. We're gonna put lights here. We're gonna put some carports, few carports here. Now this whole front will be paved. We pave from there up until here. That side. This will be pavement from that corner up until this front will be fully paved. And now you can just see that the hand of God is here. The hand of God is here. This is the hand of God, church. This is, if you ever doubted what God can do, let this by a young African boy building this in a township without any sponsor from companies, from anyone, just by the grace and by the love of God. No man can claim this work. This is the hand of God. I was standing here in February. There was nothing here. Nothing. This place was just a field. There was grass here. Today we have finished the building. We are even paving. It's crazy. It's crazy. This can only be God. Really, if you don't see God in this, you have serious spiritual trouble. You have serious spiritual issues. But this is the hand of God at its best. I stood here in February, I made a life. I'll find that life. And I said, God is about to fill this place with a building. And He's doing it. He's doing it. Yeah, there's safety equipment, but we can say safety. Also, the falling object, the place, the danger thing is done. The danger thing is done. Also, the falling object, we are doing cosmetics. Also, the safety thing, it's serious. I can say the refill it overall. Also, the falling object, we are done with dangerous part. What is needed here is gloves, boots, and overalls, and that's all. That's all. Now, a lot of issues are the safety. Safety we are taking care of. We have safety officer on site here. But don't try to teach us that thing. The safety officers are here on site. There's a toolbox talk. Remember, I'm a training officer by profession, then I know the rules. I know the rules. Okay, let us leave the safety guy. But this is what I wanted to show you. This is what I wanted to show you guys, that we are progressing very well. And we are finishing this. We are finishing this. We are almost there. Now remember, on the 14th of December, will be officially open in this place. Skimmy ke musile tsileng kwa. Skimmy ke mufitile tsileng wa tla o tla ka hate ya utsa zwakala. Yeah, but all in all, guys, we are pushing this. We are pushing this. The guys are going for lunch now, but we are on track for finishing, for opening on the 14th of December. We are on track. We are on track. Now, guys, grace is here. God is doing this thing, and I'm not apologetic about this, because I know I've seen the hand of God here. I'm not gonna be apologetic. If it has failed, the enemies will have spoken nonsense. Now, I have a right to show the world. If it has failed, they will have posted and say he started what he couldn't finish, he was trying and he was competing. They will talk nonsense. Now that it's finished, I must show the world that God is a author and a finisher. Because there are enemies who waited for this to fail so that they can talk nonsense. But the God has shut the mouths of the lions. And now I'm testifying to show you that don't be afraid of what people will say. If God has said it, don't be afraid of what people will say. People will always talk. If this project failed, they will have posting it and say, when it's finished, they say, no, Sekete could have built that industry. When they will always talk. But I'm showing you here to say, this is the raw power of God. This is what God can do with an ordinary man like me. And he can do it publicly. And I'm not apologetic. I'm announcing the power of God. Because if it has failed, they will have announcing and say he failed. And now that it has succeeded, they are afraid to say now it has succeeded. Why they are not posting now that Sekete is finishing it? Because they said I'm not going to finish. Some said that it was not going to be finished. They said it. I heard it. They said he's taking chances. Where will he take money? What? But now that it's finished, they think I'm boasting. I'm not boasting. I'm boosting somebody else's faith. I'm boosting your faith to tell you that stop talking nonsense about God things if you don't know God. It's a teaching to this generation that don't comment about God if you don't know. If you don't know what God can do, shut up, because God can do this thing. Let this be a teaching and a lesson. Don't insult the work of God. No matter how you undermine the person who is doing it, never insult the work. God is powerful. And God is doing this thing to show you that He is able. He is able. He can do this thing. If we think that false prophets can build churches, why don't you think that true preachers can build? And this is what God is showing you. That you don't have to be false. You don't have to be a witch to achieve something. You can achieve great things while you are still faithful to God, while you are still serving God alone, without any powers, without any false powers. You can use the word of God. I've used the word of God only for this. This is the word of God only. Nothing. Whatever you see here is the word of God. I've used the raw word. I took it from the Bible and I believe it. And these are the results. In township, not supported by big people, big what. No. In township, with the few people that I have here, 800, 900 plus congregation that we have here, this is what we have achieved. Some are pensioners here, some are not working, but this is what we have achieved. You know? And now I must tell you that it is possible and God can do it. God can do it. Now we need to celebrate this. This is the work of God and the world must know